Hello, champions. Okay, so this is chapter 1, Ratio and Proportion, Indices and Logarithms. Additional question bank, page 1.35. This video will contain questions from 1 to 25. Okay, let's get started. Question number 1. Simplify the equations. Let's take all the 6 powers on one side and 7 powers on other side. So, what do we get? 6 power minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 into 7 power 2 plus 4 6 whole power 7 by 2 into brackets 6 power minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 into 7 power 3 plus 5 8 divided by minus 5 by 2. Again 6 powers on left hand side. So what do we have? Minus 3 into 7 minus 21 divided by 2. On the right hand side we have plus 25 divided by 2 into 7 raised to 6 sevens are 42 divided by 2 and minus 8 fives are 40 divided by 2. So what do we have? We have 6 square into 7, which is equals to 252. Option number D. Next question. Question number 2. Take all the x powers on one side. Okay, so what do we have? X power 2 by 7 plus 2 by 5 minus 9 by 7 plus 3 by 5 into z power 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 5 divided by 6. Okay, simplify. X power, these two terms, 2 minus 9 is minus 7. So, minus 7 divided by 7 is minus 1. And 2 plus 3, 5. 5 divided by 5 is plus 1. Into z power, these two terms. So, we have minus 4 by 3 into, sorry, plus, okay, here multiplied by 3 multiply. So we have 3 plus 5, 8 divided by 6. Correct? Now this becomes x power 0 is 1 into multiplied by 2 LCM. So minus 8 by 6 plus 8 by 6, again z power 0 is equals to 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Option number A. Question number 3. Simplify. Okay, again this is simple. Take all the constants on left side and the variables equations on the right side. Let us see. 2 power 3 into 5 power 3 into 6 power 1 divided by 6 power 1 into 10 power 3. Now the variable side, into 2 power x into 3 power 2x divided by 3 power y into 5 power x into 5 power y into 6 power y, okay, divided by 6 power x divided by 10 power y divided by 15 power x. So left hand side, 6 power 1, 6 power 1 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 10, 10 power 3, 10 power 3 gets cancelled. On the right hand side, we have 5 power y, it becomes 2 power y, correct? So 2 power y, 3 power y means 6 power y gets cancelled. Again, 2 power x and 3 power 1x and 6 power x gets cancelled, and 3 power x and 5 power x and 15 power x gets cancelled, so equals to 1. Option number C. I hope you understood this. Question number 4. Okay, let us simplify. What do we have? Okay, so we have 9 power y into 3 square into 3 power y minus 27 power y divided by 3 power 3x into 2 cube equals to 1 power 27. So we have these two 27y common in the numerator. 27y common in the numerator. We have 3 square means 9 minus 1 and 3 cube means 27 power x into 8. So 8 gets cancelled equals to 1 by 27, right? So let's see. 27y plus 1 equals to 27 power x. So y plus 1 is x. So x minus y is equals to 1. Option number B. Fifth question. When the equation type questions comes in the exam and the options are given in numericals, you have to substitute the variables with some assumptions, assumed numbers. So here we cannot substitute a, b, c or x with a, b, c with same number, example 1 1 1, since the denominator in the powers becomes 0 and it can become undefined. Hence we are going to assume a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 3. So what do we get? X power 1 divided by 1 minus 2 is minus 1 into 1 divided by 1 minus 3 is minus 2 into x power 1 divided by 2 minus 3 is minus 1 into 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 into x power 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 into 1 divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. So what do we have? X power minus minus gets cancelled and we have half, correct? And then again minus 1 and we have plus half. So half becomes 1 and 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So anything raised to 0 is equals to 1. Option number A. Okay. Question number 6. Again, we have numbers in options. So we can substitute x equals to 0. What do we get? 16 into 32 power 0 is 1 minus 2 raised to minus 2. Okay. Into 4 divided by 15 into 2 raised to minus 1 into 1 minus 5 raised to 1 into 5 raised to minus 1 divided by square root of 5 square x. So we have 5 power x and x is 0. So 5 power 0 means 1. Okay, so this whole becomes 1. Okay, and what do we have on the left hand side? We have, hold on. So what do we have? So we have 16. This becomes 1. 16 minus 1. Okay, divided by 15 into 2. So this becomes 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Option number A. I hope you understood. In such type of questions, you have to just assume some numbers. Okay, again, question number 7 is very easy. We have already seen this question previously. So what do we get? X power A minus B into A plus B, and similarly all other terms. So we have x power A square minus B square plus B square minus C square plus C square minus A square. So all the terms gets cancelled. X power 0 is equals to 1. Once you do practice, option number D. So once you do practice, these questions becomes very easy. You can solve most of it verbally. Again, question number 8. Solve it very carefully. It is again very easy. X power A square minus B square divided by A plus B. You can see A minus B in the numerator would be remain. Same, B square minus C square divided by B plus C. Again, X power C square minus A square divided by C plus A. So what do we have? X power A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. All the terms gets cancelled. We have x power 0 equals to 1. Option number A. Question number 9. Okay, again. The catch here is if you get such questions, you have to assume some numbers. In this as well, you cannot assume same number since the denominator can become 0. Hence, we will assume A equals to 1, B equals to 2, and C equals to 3. So, what do we get? X power B plus C. So, 2 plus 3, 5 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 into 1 divided by 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, into x power 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 1 minus 2 is minus 1 into 1 divided by 2 minus 3 is minus 1 into x power 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 2 minus 3 is minus 1 into 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Simplify. You get x power 5 by 2 plus 4 plus, okay, minus, hold on, minus 3 divided by 2. So these two terms you get 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So x power 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, so you get x power 5. Hold on. x power 5. Okay, so am I doing something wrong? Let me check again. Let's check this. So x power b plus c is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 into 1 divided by minus 1. Okay, so we have next term c plus a is 4, a minus b is minus 1, b minus c is minus 1 again. Okay, then a plus b is 3, b minus c is minus 1, and c minus a is 2. Correct? So you get x power 5 minus 5 by 2. Yeah, I was missing minus over here. Exactly. So what do we have? Okay, so we have minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8 divided by 2 plus 4. So we have minus 4 minus plus 4 is x power 0 is equals to 1. So in the exam, when you get a little incorrect answer and you can't see it in the option, and obviously it has to be around 0, 1, minus 1, or maybe 2 as well. So just recheck your solution. Okay, let's move on. Question number 10. Again, it is a very easy question we have already done. Let's do it quickly. So we have b minus c into a, then x power c minus a into b, then x power a minus b into c. Expand x power ab minus ac plus bc minus ab plus ac minus bc, and all the terms gets cancelled. We get x power 0 is equals to 1. Option number A. Next question 11. Simple question again. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so in this question as well, again, like I said, the options given are in numbers. So let's assume some values. Okay, and we will assume everything as 1. Okay, let's assume a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to 1, since this can work, since there is no negative in any denominator. So x power 1 and divided by x power 1, this becomes 1. 1 raised to anything is 1. Okay, so this term becomes 1, this term becomes 1, this term becomes 1. So option number C. Can you see how fast we solved this equation? Nothing we did, only we substituted the variables. Let's see question number 12 again. This is a formula. Okay, I hope you know the formula. Let's just expand directly. First term you will get a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula for a cube minus b cube. So again, I'm not going to write the other terms. I'm going to directly expand it. What do we have? X power a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. All the terms gets cancelled. We have x power 0 is equals to 1. Option number A. Next question number 13. Correct. So again, this is a very simple question. Solve it carefully. Let's solve it with base 2. 2 power x plus y is equals to 2 power 2 into 2 power 3 into 2 power 4. So we have x plus y is equals to 2 into 3, sorry, 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is not multiplication, addition. So what do we have? X plus y is equals to 9. So x plus y square is equals to 9 square is equals to 81. Option number B. Okay. Question number 14. Again, it is a simple question. This is the formula. First term I'm going to solve. X power b minus c whole into b plus c minus a. We are going to expand this. Okay. And you're going to obviously get 0 in the power and you are going to get the answer as a. So I'm going to directly expand this for you so that you can check it by yourself. X power, hold on, direct expansion. So x power b square plus bc minus ab minus bc minus c square plus ac plus c square plus ac minus bc minus, even if you don't want to solve this much, okay, we are going to again substitute. Let's just do this way. Even if you expand, you will get your answer, but if you don't want to, we can substitute a equals to b equals to c as 1. So what do you get? 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 power 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 power 1 is 1. So all the terms are 1. Option number A. Simple. Okay. Again here. So we have in the equations form, question number 15, we have the options in equation form, but we can still, okay, let us just expand it. Okay. Or better, we can just substitute again. A equals to B equals to C equals to 1. So x power 1, right? And minus 1. So you get x square, and a square is into a square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. So 2 into 1. Same way, you get x square 1 minus 1 plus 1 into x square 1 minus 1 plus 1. So what do you get? You get 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is x power 6. When you substitute in option number C, what do you get? X power 2 into 1 cube 1 plus 1 plus 1. So which is equals to x power 6. That's the answer we get. Why B and C are not the answer? Because it is given in negatives and hence these are not our answer. Option number C. Question number 16. Okay. So here the equation is given which is equals to 0. The given equation is equals to 0 and there is a negative term over here. So on if you write an equation which is equals to 0 and if you take the negative equation from LHS to RHS, what do you get? The expanded form is right side x cube. So everything is in the same base. So the indices are equal. I am directly writing the equal of the indices. Okay. I hope you understood it. You are able to follow. So what do we have? A square divided by BC plus B square divided by AC plus C square divided by AB equals to 3. I hope you understood how we got 3. We got 3 from here. Okay. With the LCM you get A cube plus B cube plus C cube divided by ABC, which is equals to 3. So now there is one more equation you should add in your formula list, that is A cube plus B cube plus C cube formula, which is equals to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC plus 3A, B and C. Okay. Please write this formula in your notes for your revision of equations. So let us substitute when you compare these two equations. When you substitute A cube plus B cube plus C cube, so you get 3ABC equals to this whole equation plus 3ABC, right? Now this 3ABC you're going to take it to the left hand side. You get 0 equals to A plus B plus C into this whole equation. Okay, and when you take this whole equation to the left hand side, it becomes 0. Hence A plus B plus C becomes 0. Option number C. Okay, I hope you understood this, and please write the A cube plus B cube plus C cube formula in your notes. Question number 17. Again, this is a very simple question. You just have to simplify it. What do we have? Z power Z into root Z, which is equals to Z power Z into Z power Z by 2. Correct? So all the powers are same. Z into root Z is equals to Z plus Z by 2. So we have 2Z into root Z equals to 2Z plus Z. Okay. So what do we have? We have 2 into Z into root Z equals to 3Z. So 1Z cancel with 1Z. So we have root Z is equals to, and 2 gets cancelled with 2. Root Z is equals to Z. Correct? No. Just a minute. Okay. So Z gets cancelled with 1Z. So what do we have? We have Z gets cancelled with Z. So right hand side remains 3, right? So we have Z 1 by 2 equals to 3 by 2. Okay. So let's square Z is equals to 3 by 2 whole square is equals to 9 by 4. Option number D. Okay. I hope you understood. It is very simple. Again, question number 18. You can solve this question very easily You have to just pay attention and not just keep on expanding the equations. Pay attention. The whole equation is reduced to 1. So if there are three terms which are reduced to 1, we can write first term as 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. So now this denominator becomes equals to 3. So x power b plus x power minus c plus 1 equals to 3. So what do we have? X power b plus x power minus c equals to 2. So each of the terms is equals to 1. So x power b is equals to 1. When is x power b equals to 1? When b is equals to 0. And x power minus c is equals to 1 again. So minus c equals to 0 and c is also equals to 0. Similarly, the second term and the third term, and what do we have in the question? A plus b plus c. So we have a is equals to 0, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to 0 again. The total also becomes 0. Option number B. I hope you understood. It is a very easy question. You have to just pay attention to what is given and then simplify. So what do we have in the once you read the question, just take a look at the options, okay, before you start solving. We have already solved this previously, okay. Let me just expand it for you, okay. First term I'm going to expand. So we have 1 divided by 1 plus z power a divided by z power b plus z power a divided by z power c. I'm going to expand only first term, okay, and each of the terms has additions in between, okay. The addition is missing over here, okay. So simplification of the first term is 1 divided by zb into zc plus za into zc plus za into zb za into zb z power a into z power b, okay, and whole divided by z power b into z power c, okay. So the terms get flipped, okay. So all the terms you get over here as z power b into z power c. Again, same thing. We have already done this question previously as well, and whole terms become same, which is equals to 1. Please expand this. You will get the answer in the third step itself. Okay. Option number C. Question number 20. Again, it is simple. Just see that when you multiply these two, you get this base, correct? Simple observation. So we have 0.5678 equals to 5.678 into 10, correct? So if we equate it with k, so what do we have? We have k power 1 by y is equals to k power 1 by x into k power 1 by z. So we have 1 power y is equals to 1 by y equals to 1 by x plus 1 by z. So we have 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by y is equals to 0. Okay. something is missing over here. The option has to be, it is option number D. However, in the previous book, this is given as plus. Okay, 1 by x. Okay, this one, sorry, plus 1 by z. So in the previous books, it is given as a B option as the correct option, since here there is a printing mistake. However, if these options are given, the right option is D. Okay, question number 21. Okay, again, this is a very simple question. I have taught you a special formula. Okay, let me just remind you the special formula. So, okay, so when we have given is x is equals to, just a minute. Yes. So we have x is equals to a power 1 by 3 plus a power minus 1 by 3. This is given, and you are asked x cube minus 3x. Okay. Then the answer becomes a plus 1 by a. So in this formula, you are asked 4 into x cube minus 3 power x. Sorry, not 3 power x. Here this has to be 3x. Okay. Okay. So we have 4 into, what is a? A is 4 plus 1 by 4. So we have 16 plus 1. That is 17. Option number D. Okay. 21, option number D. Next question. Question number 22. Okay. Same special formula. So what do we have? 5 into 5 plus 1 by 5. So what do we have? 25 plus 1. 26. Question option number B. You have to remember the special formulas, otherwise you won't be able to solve the questions easily, and you'll keep on expanding it. Okay, how are we going to solve question number 23? Again, we will substitute the equations, the variables with numbers, and also in the options as well. Okay, so we have, and you have to carefully substitute, since we are already given a equation. Here you can see x needs to be done cube root. So let's take an easy cube root. So cube root of 8 is 2. So we can take x equals to 8, correct? Then if we take a equals to 1 and b equals to 2, so what do we get? So if a is equals to 1, so 1 into cube root of 8 is 2 square, since it is 2 divided by 3, right? Plus 2 into 2, since cube root of 8 is 2, plus c equals to 0. So what do we have? C as 2 square, 4 plus 4 plus c is equals to 0. So c is equals to minus 8. So we have c is equals to minus 8. So what is the value of the given? We are asked the value of this equations. right? So we have a cube. What is a? A cube is 1 into x square. 8 square is 64 plus b cube is 8 into 8, okay, plus c cube, that means minus 8 cube. What is 8 cube? 512. So we have 64 plus 64, 128 minus 512, minus 384. Okay, let us see the first option, 3 into a, b, c, x. Okay, so we have 3 into 8 into 1 into 2 into 8 minus 384. Option number A. Second option is will come in the positive, which is not the answer. Third option, again some x is missing, so the option number A is the right answer. Question number 24, again very easy question, we have already done. Let us substitute. So this is given, so let us substitute b in the second equation. So b is equals to a power p whole power q is equals to c. Now let us substitute c in the third equation. So we have c means a power p q r is equals to a power 1. So p q r is equals to 1. Option number B. Last question for this video. Question number 25. Again, solve this question carefully. When we equate this equals to k, so what do we get? We get a is equals to k power 1 divided by p, b is equals to k power 1 divided by q, and c is equals to k power 1 divided by r. Let us substitute in this equation now. So b square means k power 2 by q is equals to k power 1 by p into k power 1 by r. Equate the powers. We have 2 divided by q is equals to 1 by p plus 1 divided by r. Simplify, we get 2 is equals to q into p plus r divided by p into r, and this is what is asked in the equation as an equation. So option number C. We will continue the next question in the next video. Thank you.